Hi everyone, welcome back to Young's Garden. Thank you for tuning in. Today I would like to share with you my relocation and also harvesting of some eggs that I have from my chicken and quail that I've been taking care of. And today I'm gonna relocate my orange cress jackfruit. It's been in the shade for this last winter, so I have to remove it and see if it has I just want to give it a better chance in a different location with full sun. So I had this achacha plant here before, and it was a achacha plant. If you check out my last blog on 111, I had a achacha tree here and I had to remove it to give it a better chance in a shading protected area between my house and the divided wall of my neighbor. And here I'm just adding some fertilizer and just putting all this mixture in together in a bowl so I can put it in my around my tree. And this is the method I use: some salt for the tree, Epsom salt, some citrus and fruits fertilizer, and water soluble fertilizer, and I just mix it around the soil and just add water and just let it drain. And a few days later we had a heat stroke. Of course, I did not know that. If I did, I would not remove my tree, and of course it burnt and really killed my tree, so I had to put a shading cloth on, which was a little bit too late because I didn't know that that's gonna burn this fast, and the leaves just a goner. So hopefully it's still alive for me. All this other tree around it in front of my house, it kind of burned out too, the leaves. Here is my kuai mok. It's losing all its leaf, but it's still alive, and I guess I have to put a shading cloth on here. Here is my star gooseberry, the plant that I was hoping to get fruits maybe in the future, but it looks like it's not doing well right now, so I added shading cloth just to help it out a little bit. Okay, so let's move on. So I also got some potting or some pots for the future, just in case if I like to repot my plants. And here are some of the eggs that I harvest. I finally got two colors, and here we are gonna harvest some quail eggs, and I let it have its space, and I think it likes this method better. It's more fatter and happier. It's not stuck in a small tiny cage with 6 male and 1 female where it gets harassed. So this is like kind of like a free range, and I add like sand, which it loves to bathe in it. There are 2 varieties, as you can see, the spots, which you normally see at the supermarket, and now there is a blue variety. Of course, it's always been out there, but not a lot of people know about it. This is the special bird. It's called Saladin. It carries a blue gene. It is a variety of the Coturnix quail. So one of the variety, of course. So you can see this is the brown. And sometimes I notice the brown eggs, the regular brown eggs with the spots, is much bigger and larger because that's the original quail. And I think the blue one, I think, it was made scientifically, I think. I'm not sure. Here are my chickens. some of the Polish rooster here, and the other colorful one in the back, I have no idea what that is. I finally found another egg in its cage. This is actually temporary living space for them. I have a bigger plan for them, but I've just been so busy. It takes me, I think it took me 8 months to finally see them lay eggs, so that was really nice. They do peck when you put your arms in there, so I try to avoid all that attack. So I try to use these picker-upper thingamabobby to pick up the egg, and this egg is probably from one of the female Easter egg or the olive egger. And this is my California white chicken. They are really bad, so I have to lock them up. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe for more updates. Bye.